NLN NEX 2026 Practice Test. Question 1. Which second quantity matches a 2:9 ratio when the first quantity is 12 in this lab result item? Option A, 60. Option B, 54. Option C, 12. Option D, 66. The correct answer is option. The first part grew from 2 to 12, so the scale factor is 6. Multiplying the second part, 9 times 6, gives 54. The other values use the total, the first quantity, or an extra scale step instead. Question 2. During a quick NEX review of a health literacy item, which word is closest in meaning to efficient in a classroom review sentence? Option A, wasteful. Option B, productive. Option C, narrow. Option D, ancient. The correct answer is option. Efficient means productive, so that choice matches the meaning in context. Wasteful means using resources poorly, not productive. Narrow means not wide, not productive. And ancient means old, not productive. Question 3. After checking the choices in a safety protocol item, which answer identifies the process moves water across a semi-permeable membrane? Option A, transcription. Option B, osmosis. Option C, exocytosis. Option D, mitosis. The correct answer is option. Osmosis is the diffusion of water through a selectively permeable membrane. Transcription copies DNA information into RNA. Exocytosis moves materials out of a cell, and mitosis is cell division. Question 4. If a concept map stem gives one clear clue, which choice most accurately summarizes the passage? A clinic sends appointment reminders, and missed visits decline. Option A, appointments no longer need scheduling. Option B, reminders can help patients remember appointments. Option C, reminders caused more missed visits. Option D, patients cannot benefit from reminders. The correct answer is option. The decline in missed visits supports the role of reminders. Appointments no longer need scheduling is not supported by the passage. Reminders caused more missed visits is not supported by the passage, and patients cannot benefit from reminders is not supported by the passage. Question 5. When time is limited on a hydration log question, which answer identifies the transfer of heat through direct contact? Option A, convection. Option B, evaporation. Option C, conduction. Option D, irradiation. The correct answer is option. Conduction transfers heat when particles collide through direct contact. Convection moves heat through fluid circulation. Evaporation is liquid changing to gas, and radiation transfers energy by waves. Question 6. Given the information in a vital signs item, which weight in pounds is closest to 60 kilograms using 1 kilogram equals 2.2 pounds? Option A, 27.27 pounds. Option B, 1,320 pounds. Option C, 62.2 pounds. Option D, 132 pounds. The correct answer is option. Multiply kilograms by 2.2. So 60 times 2.2 equals 132 pounds. The other choices divide instead of multiply, add the conversion factor, or move the decimal one place too far. Question 7. Suppose a similar cell energy item appears on test day. Which word is closest in meaning to expand in a classroom review sentence? Option A, whisper. Option B, accept. Option C, shrink. Option D, increase. The correct answer is option. Expand means increase, so that choice matches the meaning in context. Whisper means speak softly, not increase. Accept means receive, not increase. And shrink means become smaller, not increase. Question 8. While working through a timed patient teaching set, which answer identifies the tiny air sacs exchange oxygen and carbon dioxide? Option A, villi. Option B, bronchi. Option C, alveoli. Option D, nephrons. The correct answer is option. Alveoli provide thin, moist surfaces where gases diffuse between air and blood. Villi absorb nutrients in the intestine, bronchi carry air toward the lungs, and nephrons filter blood in kidneys. Question 9. Before choosing an answer in a dosage label item, which choice most accurately summarizes the passage? A study found that students who practiced with timed sets felt more comfortable during the actual exam. Option A. Comfort never changes with practice. Option B. Timed practice can build exam familiarity. Option C. The exam has no time pressure. Option D. Timed sets remove all content gaps. The correct answer is option. The passage connects timed practice with increased comfort. Comfort never changes with practice is not supported by the passage. The exam has no time pressure is not supported by the passage, and timed sets remove all content gaps is not supported by the passage. Question 10. A student sees this infection control idea on a NEX review. Which critical thinking response best fits this situation? A test item asks for the best answer, and two choices are true but only one directly answers the stem. Option A. The choice that directly answers the stem should be selected. Option B. The first familiar term should be chosen. Option C. Any true statement is always best. Option D. The longest answer is automatically best. The correct answer is option. Entrance exam items often include true distractors that do not answer the specific question. The first familiar term should be chosen does not follow from the situation. Any true statement is always best does not follow from the situation, and the longest answer is automatically best does not follow from the situation. Question 11. One fall prevention practice problem tests this skill. Which number is 25% of 40? Option A, 65. Option B, 10. Option C, 15. Option D, 100. The correct answer is option. 25% means 25/100, so 40 times 25/100 equals 10. The other choices come from adding or subtracting the percent, moving the decimal incorrectly, or dividing in the wrong direction. Question 12. Several choices look tempting in a nutrition note item. Which word is closest in meaning to infer in a classroom review sentence? Option A, copy. Option B, conclude. Option C, whisper. Option D, erase. The correct answer is option. Infer means conclude, so that choice matches the meaning in context. Copy means duplicate, not conclude. Whisper means speak softly, not conclude. And erase means remove, not conclude. Question 13. For this oxygen exchange nursing entrance question, which answer identifies the chemical messenger released by endocrine glands? Option A, antibody. Option B, hormone. Option C, platelet. Option D, enzyme. The correct answer is option. Hormones travel through the bloodstream and affect target tissues. Antibody targets antigens, platelet helps clotting, and enzyme speeds chemical reactions. Question 14. In a short study schedule practice STEM, which statement gives the best main idea of this passage? A patient education sheet used short sentences, headings, and pictures. Option A, pictures make written instructions unnecessary. Option B, clear formatting helps readers understand health information. Option C, long paragraphs are best for patient teaching. Option D, headings reduce the value of information. The correct answer is option. The sheet is designed to improve readability and comprehension. Pictures make written instructions unnecessary, is not supported by the passage. Long paragraphs are best for patient teaching, is not supported by the passage, and headings reduce the value of information, is not supported by the passage. Question 15. Among the choices in a lab safety item, which increase is shown from Monday 16 to Wednesday 24 in a simple practice chart? Option A, 24. Option B, 8. Option C, 5. Option D, 40. The correct answer is option. The increase is the final value minus the starting value, 24/16 equals 8. The other choices use the final value alone, only the Monday to Tuesday change, or the sum instead of the difference. Question 16. Using the facts in a blood flow question, which probability describes drawing a red card from a set with 7 red and 9 blue cards? Option A, 7/16. Option B, 16/7. Option C, 7/9. Option D, 9/16. The correct answer is option. Probability is favorable outcomes divided by total outcomes, so the result is 7/16, simplified to 7/16. The other choices use blue cards, compare red to blue only, or invert the fraction. Question 17. Based on the clue in a kidney function item, which word is closest in meaning to obtain in a classroom review sentence? Option A, get. Option B, melt. Option C, deny. Option D, lose. The correct answer is option. Obtain means get, so that choice matches the meaning in context. Melt means turn liquid, not get. Deny means refuse, not get. And lose means no longer have, not get. Question 18. Consider this high-yield immune response concept. Which answer identifies the cell division that produces gametes? Option A, translation. Option B, diffusion. Option C, mitosis. Option D, meiosis. The correct answer is option. Meiosis reduces chromosome number and produces sperm or egg cells. Translation builds proteins, diffusion moves particles down a gradient, and mitosis produces identical body cells. Question 19. Near the end of a medication math review session, which statement gives the best main idea of this passage? A volunteer program grew after former patients shared personal stories at orientation. Option A, former patients stopped the program. Option B, volunteer programs grow without communication. Option C, personal stories can motivate people to participate. Option D, orientation should never include stories. The correct answer is option. The passage shows participation increased after meaningful stories were shared. Former patients stopped the program is not supported by the passage. Volunteer programs grow without communication is not supported by the passage, and orientation should never include stories is not supported by the passage. Question 20. Across similar reading passage nursing entrance questions, which answer identifies the group that does not receive the experimental treatment? Option A, control group. Option B, experimental group. Option C, sample. Option D, conclusion. The correct answer is option. A control group provides a comparison for the treatment group. Experimental group receives the treatment, sample is the participants or items studied, and conclusion is the final interpretation. Question 21. Since only one choice fits the grammar check clue, which milliliter amount equals 1.5 L? Option A, 15,000 ml. Option B, 15 ml. Option C, 150 ml. Option D, 1,500 ml. The correct answer is option. 1 liter equals 1,000 ml, so 1.5 times 1,000 equals 1,500 ml. The other choices use 10, 100, or 10,000 as the conversion factor, which shifts the decimal to the wrong place. Question 22. From the information in a word knowledge item, which word is closest in meaning to prior in a classroom review sentence? Option A, later. Option B, earlier. Option C, hidden. Option D, silent. The correct answer is option. Prior means earlier, so that choice matches the meaning in context. Later means afterward, not earlier. Hidden means concealed, not earlier. And silent means quiet, not earlier. Question 23. At a testing desk during a data table review, which answer identifies the solution with pH above 7? Option A, neutral. Option B, basic. Option C, acidic. Option D, hypotonic. The correct answer is option. A pH above 7 indicates a basic or alkaline solution. Neutral describes pH 7, acidic describes pH below 7, and hypotonic describes lower solute concentration. Question 24. Inside a algebra review science or skills item, which statement gives the best main idea of this passage? A school added quiet study rooms, and students reported fewer distractions. Option A, distractions are always helpful. Option B, quiet rooms increase noise. Option C, students no longer needed to study. Option D. Reducing distractions can improve study conditions. The correct answer is option. The result directly connects quiet rooms to fewer distractions. Distractions are always helpful, is not supported by the passage, quiet rooms increase noise, is not supported by the passage, and students no longer needed to study, is not supported by the passage. Question 25. Through careful reading of a heart rhythm stem, which critical thinking response best fits this situation? A graph rises sharply after a policy change, but no other information is given. Option A. Graphs cannot show patterns. Option B. The policy must be ignored. Option C. A rising graph proves the policy caused everything. Option D. The graph shows a possible association but does not prove causation by itself. The correct answer is option. A time pattern can suggest a relationship, but causation requires stronger evidence. Graphs cannot show patterns, does not follow from the situation, the policy must be ignored, does not follow from the situation, and a rising graph proves the policy caused everything, does not follow from the situation.